Discipline is a powerful life skill that quietly shapes everything you do, from your studies to your personal goals. It is the inner strength that helps you control your actions and make decisions that support your future, even when your feelings tell you to stop. Many people think self-discipline means being strict or forcing yourself to work nonstop, but that is not true. Real self-discipline is about understanding what you want, choosing what matters, and taking steady actions toward your goals. It is the voice inside you that says, I can do better, even on days when you feel tired or discouraged. When you learn to guide your energy, your time, and your focus, you become someone who doesn't depend on luck. You depend on effort, and effort always leads to improvement. Learning English becomes much easier when you develop self-discipline because language learning requires consistency. You cannot master a language in a single day, but you can improve a little every day. This is where discipline becomes your strongest weapon. Some days you will feel motivated, excited, and ready to study. Other days you might feel lazy, stressed, or uninterested. These feelings are normal. Discipline is what carries you forward when motivation disappears. Every time you choose to study for even a few minutes instead of skipping the day, you strengthen the habit of growth. And habits, once built, make success automatic. There will always be challenges. You may get distracted by your phone, social media, or entertainment. You may face doubt, thinking you are not improving fast enough. You may feel embarrassed when you make mistakes. But these challenges are part of every learning journey, not a sign of failure. Mistakes help you learn. Doubt helps you grow stronger. Distractions test your focus. Every time you choose to continue despite these obstacles, you build discipline like a muscle. It becomes stronger each time you use it. To build strong self-discipline, start by setting clear and realistic goals. Instead of saying, I want to learn English, break this dream into smaller steps. Learn 10 new words a week, read 1 page a day, or practice speaking for 5 minutes. Small goals feel easier, and every success boosts your confidence. Create a simple daily routine so your brain gets used to studying at a specific time. When something becomes a habit, you don't have to push yourself as hard because your mind already knows what to do. Remove distractions from your environment. Keep your study space clean, put your phone away, and close apps you don't need. Focus becomes easier when your surroundings support your goals. The 5-minute rule is one of the most useful tools for building discipline. Tell yourself you will study for just 5 minutes. Anyone can do 5 minutes, and once you start, your brain adjusts and usually continues for longer. Starting is the biggest barrier. After you begin, everything feels more manageable. Track your progress in a notebook or a digital planner. Seeing your improvement day by day gives you a powerful sense of pride. Reward yourself after completing your study session. It could be a short break, listening to music, eating your favorite snack, or watching something fun. Rewards help your brain connect discipline with positive feelings. Be patient with yourself. Self-discipline does not grow overnight. Some days you will follow your routine perfectly, and some days you might miss your practice. That is completely normal. What matters is that you return the next day with a fresh start. The more patient you are with yourself, the easier discipline becomes. Think of it as a long journey, not a race. Every day you show up, even for a short time, you are investing in your future self. The most important thing to understand is that self-discipline is not about being better than others. It is about being better than your past self. It is the quiet promise you make to yourself that you will keep growing. When you practice discipline, you develop confidence, responsibility, focus, and mental strength. You become someone who can rely on themselves. You learn to create your own success, not wait for it. And the best part is that anyone can develop self-discipline. It does not matter where you start or how difficult English feels today. What matters is that you keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in your ability to grow. Your future is shaped by the choices you make now. Small choices, simple actions, quiet habits repeated daily. With self-discipline, you can transform your goals into reality. Keep going, stay patient, and trust the process. You already have everything you need inside you. Use it and watch yourself become stronger, smarter, and more confident than ever before.